Christmas Eve, 1914, many German and British troops fighting in World War I sang Christmas carols to each other across the lines. At times, the Allied soldiers even heard brass bands joining the Germans in their joyous singing. At the first light of dawn on Christmas Day, some German soldiers emerged from their trenches and approached the Allied lines across no man's land, calling out Merry Christmas in their enemies' native tongues. At first, the Allied soldiers feared it was a trick, but seeing the Germans unarmed, they climbed out of their trenches and shook hands with enemy soldiers. The men exchanged presents of cigarettes and plum pudding and sang carols and songs. The powerful force that allowed enemies to come together, overcoming barriers like culture, language, religion, fear, hate, rage, anger, and opinions in such a difficult time, was kindness. We are First Choice Family Services, and in this video, we will be helping you reduce stress levels, feel more energetic, make a difference, and boost your quality of life through the power of kindness and compassion.
For every one of us sitting here today, there is something that you can do in your life right now, today, to make a difference in the life of somebody else's. And so, to extend yourself in kindness to anybody is an extension in kindness in the world.
So what's kindness? According to Wikipedia, kindness is a type of behavior marked by the acts of generosity, consideration, or concern for others without expecting praise or rewards. A famous author considered kindness and love to be of the most curative herbs and agents. Kindness is considered to be one of the knightly virtues. Why kindness matters. A gazillion articles, books, and videos have been made about how skills and traits like hard work, discipline, and courage are crucial to success for whatever you want to succeed in life. However, most successful thought leaders of our times are also pointing out soft skills like kindness, compassion, and empathy at the core traits of their success.
The reason why I am so blessed, and it is a blessing, it's a pure miracle on earth that I am who I am, where I am, having come from where I've come from. But the reason is because I've extended myself, and the intention of this show is to reach people and to touch their hearts. And because that intention does touch many hearts, the blessing comes back to me multifold all the time. And that's not because I'm special or because I'm godlike or any more godlike than anybody else. It's because I'm aware that that's how it works.
Powerful ways to enhance kindness. So now you know why kindness is a super vital trait to develop and practice. And it's really important if you're the kind of person who dreams big dreams and has great aspirations in life. Here are 3 powerful ways to improve your kindness muscle. When you believe in someone, tell them directly. Let's say we all do this and support and believe in our friends and family's ability to do amazing things. Think about how your support could drive even one person to achieve things more significant. Imagine how much the world could benefit. Quite simply, a lot more. Consider kindness before you speak. When we have something in our minds to say about someone, and it isn't kind, remember to choose kindness before speaking. It is not a sign of weakness to do this. It is a sign of a heartfelt action. Don't discriminate about kindness. As we know, each of us is facing a challenge, whether it is seen or unseen. Don't discriminate against who to be kind to, despite differences. In conclusion, the practice of kindness has shown to be one of the essential traits of today's world professionals and leaders. Kindness is also a trait that the DSP industry knows the importance of very well. DSPs understand that by practicing kindness, they're more likely to succeed in their work endeavors, for sure. People who seek to improve their kindness muscle could find in this industry an opportunity to enhance their souls through acts of kindness. We hope this video has helped you become a person who is kind. If so, our mission will be a success. Get services. If you have a developmentally disabled family member who needs support, please click below or in the description to get uncompromised DSP services. Become one of our staff. Remember that the First Choice Family Services doors are always open for results-driven professionals. Feel free to show your support to the developmentally disabled community by donating or participating in our charity and campus ambassadors programs. Get involved, be social. Finally, get in touch with us through our social media channels to be updated on the news in the DSP industry and the developmentally disabled community. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends in need of a job after you subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. And remember, First Choice Family Services is your information resource for the DSP industry. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can stay connected.